This is Amanda Malone with Hamner Real Estate. I'm standing in front of 873 Carleton Street in the popular neighborhood of Highgrove. This is a gorgeous new construction, 4-bedroom, 3.5-bath home with 2 additional flex spaces. Highgrove is a premier neighborhood north of the river. It has several green spaces, a pool and clubhouse, along with a park with a pavilion. This home features 2 bedrooms on main, along with this beautiful kitchen with quartz countertops, subway tile backsplash, and an eat-in dining area. The master bathroom is gorgeous with quartz countertops and a very large custom closet. The upstairs features hardwood floors, has 2 bedrooms with Jack and Jill baths, and an additional room that can be used as a flex space or a bedroom. If you're interested in 873 Carleton Street in the popular neighborhood of Highgrove, give me a call, Amanda Malone with Hamner Real Estate, 205-447-1615.